Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's just get into it. Let me show first how it works. For example, I open up my notes and let's type here something, for example GHR. Then I tap on space and I see that text was automatically changed to got instead of GHR that I typed and that I needed. And if this option is bothering you, you can turn it off. First you need to open up settings, general and keyboard. And here you need to toggle off couple of options. First is autocorrect. And second is predictive. Now if you go back to notes and write and type GHR and type space, you now see that this text is not autocorrect anymore, and autocorrection will not make you mad any longer. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.